Why? Maybe, maybe not. The list of such questions is endless when one is making decisions or choices, be it a young toddler to a grown adult to an aged human. One is constantly making choices and decisions, big and small. The process of arriving at a decision is as important as making a decision. While the linear mode of thinking is the traditional approach, the lateral way of problem solving or arriving at one or more conclusions has held many individuals and organizations at a great stead. Our presentation today is based on Edward de Bono's concept of the six thinking hats and lateral thinking, which promotes creativity and an indirect approach to problem solving. Here's presenting Roy and his six thinking hats.
Roy is an 11-year-old boy who is curious, mischievous, and intelligent. He is on a summer vacation with his mom, dad, and younger sister Tina at his grandparents' farmhouse. The mischievous twinkle in his eyes is telling us of how he is always thinking of what to do next. He has six different thinking hats to help him make decisions. Roy loves his grandparents' pets, Blackie the cat, Snoopy the dog, and Fernie the horse. He looks forward to playing with them during his vacations.
What a lovely evening. The weather is so beautiful and just perfect for me to step outside and check what my pets are doing. Oh, who is that on the bike? And what is he handing over to Rocky, our gardener?
Rocky takes the big red box and keeps it on the bench and gets back to his sewing work without any thought. It is a beautiful big red box, and as always, Roy gets curious, but he is also distracted by the noise of sawing of wood by Rocky.
I wonder what is inside of the red box. I want that box. Should I go open it? But I'm sure that Grandpa will scold me if I open it. Let me put on my white hat and think a little.
What do I know about the box? Well, not much. So, I need to collect information about it. I could ask Tina or Mom. Rocky, our gardener, might know something about it as he's always around here. But I better not bother him while he's busy with his sewing.
Unfortunately, neither Tina nor Mom knows anything about the box. Tina was busy playing with her doll, and Mama was busy in the kitchen when the box arrived. Roy isn't discouraged and decides to think a little more and puts on his red hat.
I don't care what's in the box, but I want it. I love its color and everything inside it. I'm not afraid of anyone. I'll go grab the box and open it in my room. The box is mine.
Hearing Roy scream, Rocky the gardener turns around swiftly. He sees Roy open the door of the house and run inside. Blackie and Snoopy follow suit, and Snoopy starts barking. Roy doesn't lose his temper and patiently gives it a further thought. He then proceeds to put on his black hat.
Well, maybe I shouldn't try to open the box. It's risky. Rocky is coming and I don't want trouble with him. He may see me taking it and might just inform Grandpa. There could be something expensive inside the box or maybe something confidential.
Roy starts having second thoughts about taking the box and checking what's inside it. But then he remembers his yellow hat and puts it on.
Come on, Roy, think positive. Such a lovely box. Can't hide anything dangerous inside it. There is probably a fresh cream cake with mangoes over it, or delicious chocolates, or even better, and lots of fun toys to play with.
Thus, Roy begins to feel overly optimistic and then puts on his blue hat.
Now, let's get organized. What are the best ways to reach big red box? Let's not wonder with excitement, but take control and think how you can achieve your objective of taking the red box.
Roy is happy and cheerful again. His eyes twinkle, only this time not with mischief. Creative ideas flash across, and this time he starts to think about his mission of getting the red box. And this time he finally thinks of wearing his favorite green hat.
Shall I just take the box and open it? Maybe Rocky the gardener can help me open it. Or maybe Mama can help me. But I'm sure that neither of them will be willing to do it, as it is Grandpa's house. And he has the right to decide when to open the box. But the right thing to do will be to take Grandpa's permission and open the box if he agrees. Let's wait for a while until Grandpa wakes up and then ask him if I can take the box.
Roy informs Grandpa about the parcel kept outside and says he can open it. Grandpa nods with a yes and says he can do so. Roy jumps with joy and happily announces that he's bringing the big red box inside. Everyone in the house laughs aloud, seeing his excitement. Roy runs as fast as he can, speeding through the bundle of dry grass lying on the farm. He gets the box inside and opens it to find it filled with books to read. He is disappointed. It isn't any of the yummy treats he thought of earlier. He leaves the box with Grandpa and goes to his room. There, he sees his yellow hat and puts it on.
So what if the box didn't have what I imagined or what I liked? But I am happy that at least I got to open the box and enjoy the process. Moreover, it will be better to read books during the vacation. What a treat!
The six thinking hats helped us to make decisions through various perspectives and thus avoided a one-sided linear way of thinking. It also promoted creativity, problem-solving skills, and out-of-the-box thinking, which are a vital approach to the understanding of this process. Critical problem-solving skills and out-of-the-box thinking are a vital approach to the general perception world. Unlike the general perception that this is most suited for adults and the business world, we realize that when we take a step back and acknowledge that each one of us here can benefit from the understanding of this process.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. I think we are virtual, but I think all of them deserve a big hand. And it was lovely having each one of them. That's nice. I think y'all can open your audios and we can have a little applause for our young kids. We had RK Ramakrishna.
Yay! Way to go.
We had Ranjay with the yellow hat from Punjab. We had Arohi Patil, the blue hat from Pune. We had Ira all the way from Pune with the black hat. Chinmay from Punjab, the white hat, and Naisa from Bangalore, the red hat. This has been a lovely day. I think let your parents clap for you all.